If you're considering Makera, you're probably wondering if it's the right choice for your business or personal needs. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 things you need to know before making that purchase, so you can make an informed decision. And trust me, by the end, you'll understand whether Makera is the right tool for you or if a competitor might be a better fit. First off, Makera is a great all-in-one solution for digital content creation, especially if you're someone who wants to streamline video production, editing, and content management. What sets it apart from competitors like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro is its simplicity. While other software can be overwhelming, Makera focuses on providing a user-friendly experience that helps you get your content out faster without sacrificing quality. The learning curve is much less steep, making it ideal for beginners or those who don't want to spend hours figuring things out. Next thing to know, the pricing structure. While it offers solid features for a competitive price, it's important to compare it to other options like Filmora or Camtasia, which often have lower upfront costs. However, where Makera really stands out is its flexibility. It offers both subscription and one-time payment plans, making it accessible for both small businesses and larger teams. If you opt for the subscription, you're going to get consistent updates and support, which is key if you're looking for a long-term investment. The third thing to note is the templates and preset features. Whether you're a content creator, social media manager, or even a marketer, Makera offers a wide range of customizable templates to speed up your production process. The drag and drop interface lets you create professional-looking videos in no time, and while tools like Canva or InShot also offer templates, Makera's library is more expansive. If you're someone who values time efficiency without sacrificing creativity, this is a huge plus. Now, the fourth thing to consider, performance. When using Makera, I noticed it performed smoothly even with complex projects. Unlike some competitors, like the slower performing VideoPad or other budget editors, Makera handles large video files without crashing or significant lag. The rendering times are fast too, which means you can spend more time creating and less time waiting. The fifth thing is support. In this space, customer support can make or break your experience. Makera shines here with 24/7 access to live chat support and a comprehensive knowledge base. A lot of other tools in this price range, like Shotcut or OpenShot, don't offer that kind of support. If you run into any issues, you'll have peace of mind knowing there's help just a click away. Sixth, let's talk integrations. One of the standout features of Makera is how well it integrates with other platforms. It supports popular integrations like YouTube, Vimeo, and social media platforms, allowing you to directly publish your content. Competitors like Lumen 5 or WeVideo also offer integrations, but Makera's ease of use and workflow make it especially appealing for people who need to quickly go from editing to publishing. And the seventh thing you need to know. If you're thinking about making the jump to Makera, it's worth noting that they offer a free trial with exclusive benefits through the first link below. If you're on the fence, there's no better way to get a feel for the software and see if it aligns with your needs before committing. Now, before you make any decisions, remember that with Makera, you get a complete solution for content creation that's intuitive, fast, and supported by a strong community and customer service team. Whether you're editing video for YouTube, creating marketing content, or building brand assets, it has what you need without all the complications that come with some of the more traditional software. So, if you're ready to give Makera a try and see for yourself how it can elevate your content, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial offer and some exclusive benefits.